Now before Aaron gets a bath, I have to remove the deck because that's the dirty part. So I'll show you how to remove the deck. The first thing to do is to take off these black guards. What you're gonna need is a 3/8 socket wrench with an extension on it. And also, most importantly, you need cut-proof gloves. And my husband told me to get a parts bin because he knows I lose everything. So all the parts are gonna go in here. That is a lot of grass. I'm gonna finish doing this in the garage because this lighting is so bright and it's really hot out here. Ew, look at that. Looks like a vole's nest, doesn't it? So all this grass in here is very dangerous and it can actually probably start a fire. I think it's from when I dethatched and I did not blow the clippings out good enough. So that's something to know to not do again. The next step is to remove these 4 pins. There's one here, and then 2 just like that on the other side. So it's a lot easier if you put a 2x4 underneath the deck on both sides, so there's not so much weight hanging on these. Or that would be really hard to take these pins out. There's one. Into the bin. This little piece. And then this piece. Just gonna drop it right there. Now onto the back one. I'm gonna be sweating by the time this is over, guys. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Get this pin out. Now the back. Okay, all 4 of those pins are out. Now there are 2 more pins, and I'll show you where those are at. Right here's one, and then there's the other one on the other side. I don't know how I'm gonna get under there to get those off, so this might be interesting. So it turns out the easiest way to take these pins out is on your belly. There's one. Now for pin number 2. There it is. And you take this out. Now the last part is the belt on top of this mowing deck. Now what you want to do is move this mower deck back and it will loosen up that black rubber belt. My husband did the spring part because I didn't have the muscles, so thank you, husband. The next thing you do is you want to pull out the 2x4s that you put this deck on, and then we're gonna slide the deck out. You wanna put your wheels straight like this so you have more room to get the deck out. My husband's also gonna do this part. He's so strong, look at that. And there you have it. You guys, look at Erin. She looks naked. Now that we took the mowing deck off, you can see underneath it. Look how disgusting that is. Yeah. I should probably be taking this off more often and cleaning underneath there.